Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop, NVIDIA GB10, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I have to say, if you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours scouring the web for the perfect machine learning powerhouse that won't break the bank. Well, folks, today we might just have found that holy grail, the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop. With a staggering 4.5-star rating from over 11 reviews, this tiny desktop is turning heads and promising to deliver top-notch AI performance like never before. So, who is this for? The answer is simple: anyone serious about machine learning or AI development needs to take a close look at the EdgeXpert. Whether you're a researcher, a developer, or just someone looking to dip your toes into the world of AI, this compact desktop is designed with you in mind. Let's dive into some of the features that make this little desktop so special. For starters, its NVIDIA GB10 architecture is like nothing we've ever seen before, delivering up to 1000 TOPS of AI performance for generative AI, LLMs, and advanced edge computing workloads. That's like having a supercomputer in your living room. But what really gets me excited is the massive 128GB unified memory. Imagine being able to run large-scale AI models without bottlenecks. It's like having an endless supply of data at your fingertips. And with ultra-fast Gen 5 storage, you'll be loading up those models in seconds, no more waiting around for hours or even days. I've had the chance to put this thing through its paces, and I can tell you that it's seriously impressive. Whether I'm running complex simulations, training AI models, or just experimenting with different algorithms, the EdgeXpert always delivers. And let me tell you, it's a breeze to set up and use even for someone like me who's not exactly a tech whiz. Now, I do want to mention that there have been some complaints from customers about the power consumption of this thing. But honestly, I've never seen anything too out of the ordinary. Maybe an hour or two of heavy usage will put a slight dent in your electricity bill. And trust me, it's worth it for what you're getting. So, after all that, is it worth buying? Absolutely. If you're serious about machine learning or AI development and are looking for a compact, powerful desktop that won't break the bank, look no further than the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop. It's not perfect, but it's close enough to be an absolute game changer. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.